Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and today we're going to show you how to make a wall mount paper roll dispenser. So we used a $5 curtain rod bracket from Home Depot and a 24-inch roll of craft paper. The bracket definitely wasn't going to be strong enough to hold the weight of the craft paper roll, so we added an additional screw. To do this, we figured out the exact distance that the curtain rod would need to be from the wall by holding it next to that paper roll, and then we used a drill to run a screw through the curtain rod in that spot. Here's a closer look at the screws that we used, but really anything that's strong and sturdy should work just fine. You will of course have some extra screw hanging out of the other side of the bracket after you're done. So for this, we used a Dremel to cut off the excess. Here's what it looks like when it was all done. We covered up that missing paint with just a Sharpie marker, and you can hardly even tell. Next, you want to use sturdy wall anchors to mount each bracket into the wall. If possible, you should try to align this with a wall stud. Once you get the curtain rod brackets in place, you can put the curtain rod through the paper roll and then hang it into place. Then you'll just want to tighten it onto the bracket and you can roll it out. I use mine for a to-do list in our office, which I love. You could also put it in a kitchen for like a grocery list, or it would even work great in a kid's playroom and they could color on it. This cheap DIY project hack is perfect because it incorporates a really cheap curtain rod and brackets to make this gorgeous wall mount paper roll dispenser. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun project and this video. If you did, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel, and then check out this other video that I think you will love. Have a great day.